Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable mentions and tags in the Threads app so no one can tag you or mention you in posts. If you want more privacy and control over your account, this setting is really helpful. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to your app store and search for Threads. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Once you've updated the app, open the Threads app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap on the two lines in the top right corner. From here, tap on Privacy. Now look for Mentions and Tags and tap on it. Here, you can choose your settings and turn off all options if you don't want anyone to mention or tag you. Once you disable it, no one will be able to tag or mention you in posts. And that's it! If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.